How to remove app lock password if forget. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can remove app lock password if forget. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, you have to open up your application and you can reset your app lock password via the application itself if you have already set up a passcode. So open up the app lock in your device and check for the settings to change your passcode. Head towards the setting at the top right corner and under settings search for set passcode or change passcode, then tap on change passcode, and now you can change your passcode if this option is available in your app lock. But in case if you have a different app lock and you don't have an option to reset your password, method number 2 is to clear the app lock application data, which removes your saved password. So if the forget password or change password is not available or does not work, now in order to clear the application's data, for that you have to open up settings or simply navigate to the app lock, tap and hold on it, and here tap on app info. Under this, scroll down a bit and head towards storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache. After you do that, tap on clear storage as well, then tap on OK. After you do that, your passcode or your saved passcode will be removed. Now once you reopen the app lock application, then it will ask you to set a new password now, and this will remove all of the locked application settings. So this is another way to change your passcode if you forget passcode in app lock. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.